All right, everyone. Just wanted to share some insights here on two specific stocks. I'm going to speak about Microsoft and Chipotle Mexican Grill because currently we can see a similar behavior in these stocks. And as we can see here on Microsoft, I believe that Microsoft is quite bullish. So I'm definitely a bull on Microsoft, even though it is down on the year and didn't break through the 200-day moving average, as we can see here. So on Microsoft, we have a very clear trading corridor somewhere between 355 to around 450, where our 200 moving average is also at. And we can see here that Microsoft actually went all the way up, touched that moving average, broke through a little bit, but decided to pull back all the way down to support until it's now trying that again. And I believe that this is a great opportunity for investors to get a second chance on a high quality stock until it is actually going to break through that 200-day moving average. And then that 200-day moving average is going to be our new support line, and we will not go below it anymore. I believe this chance you can see right now on Microsoft, but we can also experience it live at this very moment on Chipotle Mexican Grill. Because if we look here on Chipotle, we can see a clear support somewhere here around $29 or $30, where Chipotle has very strong support. And right now, Chipotle went all the way up. So right now, Chipotle actually had a rally, and I called out in my community some cash secured puts down here, and we all ended up being assigned, and then we were writing covered calls to the upside, and we also got assigned on these. So we profited from that premium that we got on both sides, to the cash secured put side and covered call side, plus the capital gain in between. This really took some time. I'm speaking about 2 months right here, and we were writing cash secured puts at $30, and you can see that even for some time we had to be in a pain zone where it felt a little bit uncomfortable as Chipotle went all the way down to like $28. But that's why I always say you have to stay patient and you cannot rush this process, because I focus on high quality stocks and to buy them on the right level. You can never time it perfect that it is just going to touch your support line and then go straight back up. As you can see here, it might break through a little bit and then pull back. But to get to the point here on Chipotle, the same pattern that we saw on Microsoft, we can see on Chipotle, because it had a rally, we got assigned to the upside, it touched and broke through our 200-day moving average a little bit, but now it is pulling back and already back under that 200-day moving average. So I see it quite possible that Chipotle is going to touch its support line down here once again until it eventually is going to spike again. And I'm using this opportunity right now to sell cash secured puts on Chipotle again, because as I just explained, I had to sell my Chipotle shares already. So I'm using this opportunity to get right back in. At this very moment, we are selling cash secured puts here at $33.50. And as Chipotle is possibly going to pull back even more, we are going to sell even more cash secured puts somewhere down here. And then we can prepare for that next rally on Chipotle Mexican Grill. So I just wanted to share this with you guys, because the market often gives retail investors a second chance to enter a position, because after a rally, usually a stock pulls back before it is eventually going to rally again. And if you want to benefit from this, if you want to generate a safe passive income on high quality stocks at the right time, then click the link in my bio, join my community, the Premium Cycle. I have a full course there where I explain the Premium Cycle step by step, so you understand these mechanics, what I'm speaking about here. And I am also sharing my live trades just like this one with you guys, so you can benefit from that as well. So see you guys in my community.